to another video. Welcome back to TurboTrouble. Today we are doing another modification to the N that you need to do for your car immediately. That's why I'm going to be showing you what the spacers look like on an Elantra N, where to get them from, and how to install them all in this video so you can get your N looking right like mine. So we got the car all jacked up right here, and I did it in a very fun way. Watch. And we've got the spacers right here. We got the Akata spacers from N71 Motorsports, the website. Links for everything will be in the description below. I'm specifically going for more of a aggressive stance on the car, so I got 15s, but there's 10s available for the Elantra N. But yes, let's get started. Dude, look at that. Please do not use impact with it. Woo! Oh my god, look at this, look how thick it is. Oh my god, look how thick it is. Alright, so we got one side on. Let's release this and check out the difference. Wow. If we look through here, we have the wheel poking out now. And same thing right here, the wheel is poking out. Much better under the lighting. We can actually see now the wheel now coming out just a little bit from the fender. So now that the spacers are on, I swear these outfits look similar. We have 15mm spacers on the front and the rear. I've already posted this on my Instagram and TikTok, and a lot of you guys have given me feedback saying like, oh, you should have put 20s in the front, 15s in the back, do your research. I don't want them to poke out too much. I don't want an offset. I thought 15 and 15 was playing it safe. I haven't had any problems with the spacers. I actually took the wheels off to re-torque them, and they were all still at the torque. 100, 103, or 106. One of those three I torqued them at. As you can see, it is not poked out that much. So let's hit it up with a montage. Would you look at that? Wow! Woo! Man, this is why we love the Elantra N platform, because it just sounds so good. I know the camera cannot pick up how good this car sounds, but you have to get this set up in person. This is just a titanium mid-pipe and a titanium valved exhaust system. We still have our X-Force downpipe coming. 4-inch downpipe, which will make this thing sound even more monstrous. And just like that, this video is over. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.